Hi, hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to make mushroom biryani, one pot cooking. Here I have taken mushroom, washed well, after that cut into two pieces. Here I am taking a small jar. In that I added fresh coconut and garlic, ginger and 4 green chilies. Now I am going to add coriander and pudina, salt and little chili powder. Grind it. Here I have taken a cocoa. After that I added ghee and oil. I have taken whole masala, bay leaf, cloves, ilachi and anise seed. Now I am going to add onions and fry until it becomes brown. Now I am adding ground paste. Now I am going to add tomatoes. Add mushrooms and fry little bit. Now add rice and fry little bit. Add salt, turmeric, dhania powder and mix well. Add 1 cup, 1.5 cup water you have to add here. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes in a low flame. Our mushroom biryani is ready to serve. You can serve with any type of raita. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.